This question belongs to compiler design subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2020. So the question states, consider the productions A implies PQ and A implies XY. Each of the 5 non-terminals A, P, Q, X and Y has 2 attributes. S is a synthesized attribute and I is an inherited attribute. So we have S synthesized as I an inherited attribute. Consider the following values. Rule 1. P dot I equals to A dot I plus 2, Q dot I equals to P dot I plus A dot I, and A dot S equals to P dot S dot Q dot S. So, and we have rule 2, X dot I equals to A dot I plus Y dot S, and Y dot I equals to X dot S plus A dot I. Which of the following is true? Both rule 1 and rule 2 are L attributed. Only rule 1 is L attributed. Only rule 2 is L attributed. Both rule 1, neither rule 1 nor rule 2 is L attributed. So let us see first what is a synthesized attribute and what is an inherited attribute. Suppose we have production rules like U implies VW. Then an attribute of the left hand side non-terminal is called a synthesized attribute if its value depends on its children. Its value depends on children. Okay, and what is an inherited attribute? An attribute of a non-terminal on the right hand side of a production is called inherited attribute if its value depends either on its parent or on its sibling. So its value depends on parent or siblings. Okay, and what is an S? There are 2 types of SDT, syntax directed translation. Either it is S attributed or it is L attributed. What is S attributed SDT? It has only all the attributes are synthesized attribute. Okay. What is L attributed SDT? In L attributed SDT, we have both synthesized as well as inherited attribute. But in inherited attribute, we can inherit only from the left children, only from left child. Suppose we have productions like Q implies V, W, X, and W, then W can inherit either from its parents because it is synthesized, or it can inherit from its left child only, from V, but can't from X. Okay. Now let us see. So here we have the productions A implies PQ and A implies XY. So we need to tell which is L attributed. So for L attributed, we can inherit from the parent, because I means we can inherit from the parent, or we can inherit from sibling but only from left child. Okay. So the production is P dot I equals to A dot I plus 2. So P is taking value from I. A. So P is taking from A, which is its parent. So it is allowed in L attribution. Q dot I equals to P dot I plus A dot I. So Q is taking value from P and A. Q is taking from its left sibling as well as from parent, which is also allowed. A dot S equals to P dot S and Q dot S. So A is taking value from P as well as Q. It is also allowed, as A is over here and it is taking from its children. So taking from its children is allowed because it is synthesized attributes. Synthesized attributes means we can take from children also. So either we can take from children or we can take from parent or from left side. Okay, and then we have A depend on P as well as A depend on Q. It is also taking from children. So this is also allowed. So rule 1 is L attributed. It is L attributed. Now let us see rule 2. Rule 2 says, let me rewrite this. So here we have A implies PQ and we have A implies XY. Now we have X dot I equals to A dot I plus Y dot S. So X takes value from A, which is its parent, so it is allowed, and from Y. But Y is its right sibling, only left sibling is allowed. So it is not L attributed. Y dot I equals to X dot S plus A dot I. So Y is taking value from X as well as A. This second rule is allowed in L attributed SDT, but because first is not following L attributed property, rule 2 is not L attributed. So only rule 1 is L attributed. So correct answer is option B.